This is Mrs. Fontanes. This is part 2 of cellular structure PowerPoint. Well, we started eukaryotes. We talked about animal cells and plant cells. Well, how about fungus? What are examples of fungus? Well, as you can see here in this picture, this plant has an infection, a fungus infection. Here's another picture of an infection. This is called toenail fungus. Now, toenail fungus is just something ugly, but it can be cured because a fungus is a living cell. So, because their fungus are living, they can be treated. And it used to be something very tough. They didn't have anything that would effectively get rid of this, but now they do. So your nails don't have to look this bad. Okay, so let's review. Cell structures seen in all types of cells. In other words, these are basic cell structures. DNA, cytoplasm, ribosomes, cell membranes. So let's look at the prokaryotes and eukaryotes and look at their differences. Well, the nucleus of prokaryotes do not exist in prokaryotes. There aren't any. There are no organelles, as you can see in here. They do have a cell wall, though. Let's look at eukaryotes. Well, they have a nucleus, as you can see here, that has the DNA in it. They have these various organelles, as you can see. Cells, plant cells will have a cell wall. Animal cells will not have a cell wall. So that's the difference between plant and animal cells. Okay, so these are the basic differences between prokaryotes and eukaryotes. So the next thing I want us to do, you need to get out a sheet of paper and put 2 circles on it. And I want you to label this circle prokaryotes and this one eukaryotes. But I want you to keep in mind that these circles are overlapping. You're going to have enough space in here to write stuff. So basically what we're going to be doing is that in this circle, we're going to list everything that we can see over here that pertains to prokaryotes. And on this side, this circle, everything that pertains to eukaryotes. But if they pertain to both prokaryotes and eukaryotes, we're going to put it in the center. So let's go. The first thing is cytoplasm. Cytoplasm is found in both prokaryotes and eukaryotes. Remember, it's one of the 4 things that both of them are going to have. But the nucleus is an organelle. You're not going to find them in prokaryotes, so it's going to be over here. It's not found in both, okay? What goes in here is what both of them have. Well, prokaryotes do not have nucleus, so it's not going to be there. Next thing, chloroplasts are also organelles. Prokaryotes are not going to have them. Cell membrane is one of the 4. So both of them, prokaryotes and eukaryotes, are going to have cell membrane, also known as plasma membrane. DNA, they're both going to have DNA. And ribosomes, they're both going to have ribosomes. So it's not like that, like prokaryotes have nothing. That's not what this is saying. It's just saying the cytoplasm is here. All right. One other thing that I want you to add, and I should have highlighted this better, but archaea and bacteria are prokaryotes. So these are examples of prokaryotes. So I want you to put it in the Venn diagram for prokaryotes. And I want you to add examples of eukaryotes. These are the animal cells, plant cells, fungi, and protists. Now, with the Venn diagram, the diagram in the very beginning of this PowerPoint, and the notes, I need you to take pictures of them and email it to me. And this is my email address right here. And I will explain this again, all that you have to put in here. Okay, so when you complete this assignment, take a picture of it and email it to me at my email address right here.